So you guys are welcome back to the channel once again. I know that today's video promises to be super interesting. In our last video, we created our own Amazon associate account from scratch. That is a plus. But now we will be doing something. We'll be teaching you, or we will be seeing how we can create backlinks. Now, why do backlinks, or why are backlinks important? But before we go to that video, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Like this video if it does offer value, and please share the discussion in the comments. Feel free to ask any question, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions for free. So I'd like to show you guys something before we go straight to the video. Up here, you see, after I logged into the Amazon affiliate account, we see this Amazon associate. This actually makes it pretty easy for you to just navigate the Amazon website and then see a product and then start promoting the product without going through the stress of generating links. All you just need to do is get link, text an image. Let's just say text link to this page, and this is it. Boom, this is a full link, this is a short link. Copy the generated link and paste it into your website. So copying this, you can easily promote this product without going through the stress of going into your Amazon associate account every single time you want to promote a product that you see that you love. That's that. We're leaving that section now. I'm progressing straight to the video. So we talked about links. How important are they? Well, earlier in this video, when we were talking about ranking on search engines, so let's try to see best headphones. Okay, let's say best headphones in India. Let's see the articles that are ranking for this keyword. So the top article for this keyword is NIDM. Now I'm going to show you another free tool that you love to use in doing your keyword research. In fact, it's super amazing. This is called Moz. So Moz, M-O-Z, is actually a tool that we can use in keyword research and exploring of links. So if you look up here, we have this domain authority. If I click on it, it brings a drop down and allows us to learn more information about the website. Now this page, this domain name nidm.net has 588 root domains, but this specific page would like to know how many backlinks it has. Now if you look at this place, it has 0 backlinks. Page authority 22. So in order for you to rank top for this keyword, all you need to do is to get a lot more backlinks than this website. So let's confirm if that is the case. Let's go to our Uber suggest. Let's see how many backlinks we would need to direct to an article on best headphones that we write on our website in order to rank first position on Google, or to rank higher than this person. So we're just going to copy the link to this product, then we'll be pasting that link in our Uber suggest. So let's just look for India, because that seems to be where that website is based. So let's search for that. In case I have not told you, when you search in Uber suggest, it basically just truncates it and only search for the domain name. So we need to go through searching for the top pages on the website in order to get to see what we are looking for. So we go to the top pages on the website. Okay, let's try to look for the best headphones in India, best gas tools, best deodorant. Now take a look at this. This article is having over 4,000 visits per month, but it's having 0 backlinks. This is having over 4,000 visits per month, it's having 0 backlinks. This is having over 9,000 visits per month, it's having 0 backlinks. In order for you to rank for these keywords, you need backlinks. As many backlinks as possible. This is getting over 10,000 visits per month, it has 0 backlinks. That tells you a lot. The first 3 articles, or the top 3 articles on the website, there's a total of 2 backlinks. So this is having 21,000 visits and with 2 backlinks. This is having 16,000 visits with 0 backlinks, 14,000 visits per month with 0 backlinks. So you can imagine how much we can accomplish with just writing articles with these backlinks. So let's go straight. Let's look for the top headphones in India. Okay, I still haven't found it, so let's see if we find it on the second page. Okay. Yeah, the best headphones in India. It has 0 backlinks, so it's pretty. Our Moz tool that said it has 0 backlinks is pretty correct, and it has a domain authority of 22. So if you can push a web page to go as high as having a domain authority of let's say 30 with a couple of backlinks, you'll be able to rank. But I'd like you to remember something when you are building backlinks to your affiliate marketing website, and so just any website. You just do not want backlinks from any website. That is it. The reason is this: Google has grown past that stage where you could carry, now when we talk about backlinks, simply means a website putting a link to your website on their own website. That is one backlink. Or a website putting a link to your own article on their website. That is a backlink. So let's say we could actually use this tool to actually detect how powerful some backlinks could be. So let's say we want to look for a backlink from a pretty small website. Now let's say we want to use this as an example. This has a domain authority of 24. Yes, it has a lot of traffic, and having a backlink from this website wouldn't be bad because they got real traffic. But the backlink, having 20 backlinks of domain authority 24 wouldn't be as powerful as having one backlink from this website. It wouldn't also be as powerful as having one backlink from gadget.com. So let's say you wrote an article and then you got published on Forbes, and that article is pointing to your website. This website has a domain authority of 95, and the moment you do that, it is going to point a couple of domains pointing to it. It's going to generate this link juice and pass it to your website. The same thing can be said of Engadget and so many other top websites. The idea is this: when you're building backlinks, what matters most isn't the quantity, what matters most is quality. And this has a domain authority of 94. So a backlink from this website, it is more powerful, more respected, and better than a backlink from this website. So that is the idea. Whenever you're looking for websites to get posts on, to build backlinks from, you would need authority website. Now, that is by the way. Now, before you now go about, how do you go about getting links to your website? You could do that by the principal way for doing that, since you are running an Amazon affiliate business, is guest blogging or guest posting or writing articles for free and giving it to other webmasters. They post it and then tell people that this article was written by you and they link to you. So how do you go about that? In order to get guest posting opportunities, all you need to do is to go on Google and then search for, let's say you have a website that talks about tech, that talks about headphones. That falls under tech. So all we do is we come to tech, and then we look for tech, and then we put this in brackets. Guests. Okay, let's just use right for us, since that's often popular. So tech guest post. You're telling Google that yes, I want a tech blog or a tech website that has opportunities for guest posting. So one of the first websites that comes up is this. Having any idea to contribute on web and tech, right for us. So by using this website, that's a linking domain for it 422, but that's a domain authority of 33, which is pretty powerful. Then you scroll down, you also find the USA Tech blog. It has a domain authority of 30, which is also powerful. If you get to write an article on any of these websites, and then you point that article, so an article you wrote about anything tech, maybe a great headphone, TV, or whatsoever, it actually will make a lot of sense. So it's super powerful and will help you to rank fast. So you read through the instruction that they always have, and after reading through the instructions, you get information on how you can send your guest post to them. So this is it. Use the contact me form to submit your ideas, inquiry for more information, or simply email me your guest post and then you take a look at it. So you could just email your guest post to these people. If they like it, they'll post it. That's it. If they like it, they'll post it. Another thing, website, you can also see this. They give you a detailed instruction that you need to follow. All you need to do is to religiously follow those instructions. Then you get your website published, your articles published with links to your website. Here's another one: Write for Us, Today Tech Media. Another one: Write Technology, Write for Us, technologymoon.com. These are websites that you could easily just send your articles to. They have a website, pages where they give a detailed instruction what you need to do in order to qualify to get backlinks. All you need to do is to follow these instructions to the letter, write a wonderful article, a cool article, and send it to them. So once you send it to them, they'll post it, and then you would get a backlink. Google recognizes that, and then you get to rank. Now, if you remembered earlier on when I was talking about you having an headphone website and then you sending your guest post to a tech website, the reason I'm doing that is because those are related websites. Now, it would be so wrong of you to be building, let's say, an Amazon affiliate business around human hair extension, and then you're posting a guest post or a guest blog or trying to build authority links from, let's say, a tech website. That really wouldn't work because they're not related, and that is unnatural in the eyes of Google. Websites often link to websites in which they have some sort of relation. So you'd want to look for websites that are related to your niche and then send them your guest posts. So let's say you are promoting a product, you could just come to beauty, then and then Write for Us. It shows you some beauty blogs that actually need articles. Let's take a look at that. You see powerful beauty blogs that need articles. All you need to do is to send them your articles, but always write articles or submit guest posts or get backlinks from websites that have a relation to your subject. Do not get backlinks from websites that do not have relation to your subject. That really will be seen as null and void in the eyes of Google too. So let's say you've got a DA50 website that's so authoritative, but they're in another niche, they are serving another industry. A backlink from that website really wouldn't be useful. Though a backlink from websites like CNN, Forbes, CNET, not CNET, CNN, Forbes, Business Insider, Entrepreneur often has some sort of authority because those are business websites. So they often generate authority to virtually every website in which they link to. But the same can be said of many other niches. So you want to be very, very careful when building links. Also, there are many software in the market today that promise you that they will build hundreds upon hundreds of backlinks for you. Do not buy those softwares. Google will detect that you are building links unnaturally, and not only will they see those links as useless, they could also kick you off the search engine. And for an Amazon affiliate business, where your traffic comes from most is a search engine. Imagine not having access to that, and you've got no business. They just run you out of business. So don't do that. So never build links unnaturally. Try to reach out to website owners, talk to them, build relationships with them. If you'd like to get a template of an email that you could shoot to website owners whom you would like to write articles from, all you need to do to get that template from me for free, I've always used it and it has always worked like magic. Comment down below that you like it, like this video, and also subscribe to this channel. If I get 500 likes or 500 subscribers or 500 comments on this video, whichever comes first, I'm going to drop that each and every one of you get a chance to start working on an Amazon affiliate business. So that is it. Now this is probably going to be the last video for this course, but I really hope it isn't, because I actually have a wish, and that is I want to be updating this as time goes on. But we've gotten a chance to talk a lot talk at length about so many things. So many things. I'm making a new video for a summary of our course very soon. But that's that for this video. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.